Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a social media flyer. As you can see here, you must have been seeing something like this on Instagram where people create and post this. So I'll be teaching you on how you can create yours too. You can use different images to create this. It's very simple. So let's create a new background. So on your keyboard, press Ctrl N to create a new page. So I'll be using 100 by 1350. Create this. Now let us use this background to create that text. So you would unlock your background. Now you come to your filter here, noise, add noise. As you can see, it has given this green effect, this green kind of effect. You can reduce it and increase it any way you want. So let's reduce it a little bit. Click OK. Now on your text, on your keyboard, press T for text. So this is T. So I'll be using Bevel's font. So I'll be writing the letter no. Let us increase it. Sorry, you can increase it. So you can. So let them keep increasing. Increase this. Increase this. Then let's reduce the tracking a little bit. Yes, something like this. So you can place this by the middle. You can come to okay. Yes, you can come to your gradient. Let's just use gradient overlay straight. Come to your gradient overlay. You can decide to use a gradient tool or gradient overlay, anyone. So for my design there, I already have a preset gradient here. So I'll come to my preset gradient that I downloaded. So you can actually use anyone you want. You can decide to use anyone. Click OK here. Click OK. Now for the tricky part of it, let us create a shape. So what I did here was to create this shape like this. So change the color to white. Click OK. Now let's go and add our noise. Filter, noise, add noise. Yes, you click convert to smart object, add noise. That's it. So it will blend right into the image, into the background. So it will look like it was a split text. So you can decide to write anything you want to write there. So for this, I wrote limitation. I wrote limitation and everything. Limitation. So now let me teach you how I got this image. So you can see, if I bring this image here, this PNG image, you come to your camera raw. Sorry, it's loading. For the basics, you can see that the contrast is 74, texture 61, clarity 45. Okay, so what I did again was to create drop shadow, a realistic drop shadow. I used opacity 71, distance 40, spread 1, size 73 to get this. Now you can see what I did here. I made sure the color of the text is the same as the color of the image. You can get that by coming to your let me look at this text, the gradient overlay. You can see that this was what I used. I'm coming. Let me show you. This color matches with this upper one here, and this blue side matches with the jeans. So that was how I got this this design. So it's very simple. You can use any text or anything to get this particular design. And at the end, I used camera raw to brighten up the images to make it look more popping, more sharpened. Yeah. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you very much.